dear children. Now we are in exercise 1.1, okay, page number 7. So the first question, it says that we have to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest, okay, and we have to represent the given integers on a number line. So first, what we have to do is that we have to arrange the numbers in an ascending order, okay. So any negative integer with highest absolute value is the smallest one, okay. So minus 7 is the smallest, and then the greatest, the greater to minus 7 is minus 5, okay. And again, minus 3 is greater than minus 5, and minus 2 is greater than minus 3, after which comes 0, okay. And then the number, it progresses the following way, that is 4, 6, 7, 9, and 10, okay. So after we arrange this in an ascending order, we can simply represent them on a number line, okay. But if you think that you can skip this part, it's okay, no issue, okay. When you copy the solution, okay, in your copy, you can simply make a number line, okay, without doing this. But if you do this part beforehand, it will be very much easy for you to understand that which number is lying where, okay, which number should come in between, okay. And this is how we represent the numbers on a number line, okay. So this is your 0, okay, and towards the right hand side of this 0, all the integers that are appearing out here, okay, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, all these are positive integers, okay. And the integers towards the left hand side of this 0 are negative integers, okay. Now question number 2. Now see, in an examination, Sarita got 75 marks in English, 65 marks in Hindi, 90 marks in maths, and 80 marks in science, okay. And similarly, Rohit got 80 marks in English, 80 marks in maths, 67 marks in Hindi, and 82 marks in science. So the question is asking you, okay, how many marks did Sarita and Rohit get in all, okay. So the total of Sarita's marks is this 310, okay. 75 plus 65 plus 90 plus 80, okay. So this is the total of Sarita, total marks obtained by Sarita, okay. Sorry for that, okay. So this is 310, okay. Now the total marks obtained by Rohit is 309, okay. 80 plus 80 plus 67 plus 82, 309. Now the question is asking you, who got more marks? Now you can see out here, Sarita, she got 310, and Rohit, he obtained 309. So which one is higher, 309 or 310? 310 is higher, okay, or greater than 309. So therefore we can say that Sarita got more marks, okay. Now in question number 3, there is a situation that Rohan is playing a video game online which had multiple rounds, and in 5 consecutive rounds he got the score as plus 200, minus 300, plus 400, minus 75, and plus 175. So you have to arrange this in a way. You need to add all these, okay. So here you can see that there are two negative points, minus 300 and minus 75, okay. But you need to add everything, okay, add up everything to get his final score, okay. So what do we do is that 200 plus minus 300, we cannot write two signs together, hence we are using this bracket, okay. Inside the bracket we will write minus 300, okay. And again plus 400, okay, plus minus 75, okay, and plus 175. So this is your 200, okay, 200, and plus into minus. If plus sign and minus sign, if they are together this way, okay, then here we will multiply, okay, and always remember that the multiplication of plus sign and minus sign will always be minus. It will always be negative, okay. So plus into minus, minus 300, okay, plus 400, okay, plus into minus, minus 75, and plus 175 together, okay, we get this. And after this, what you can do is that you can bring all the positive numbers together, okay, 200, 400, and 175 together, okay, in one corner, okay, either towards the left hand side or towards the right hand side, okay, the way you feel comfortable. So plus these together, okay, 200 plus 400 plus 175, how much the total it will be? It will be 775, okay. Write this in the next line, okay. And now we have this negative scores also, minus 300 and minus 75. Now write these together, okay, and find the total. What will be the total? It is minus 375, okay. So the sign is already minus, so what do? You have to subtract it. So 775 minus 375 will be how much? 400. So hence we can say that his final score in that online game was 400, okay. And now question number 4. Question number 4 has two parts, 4a and 4b, okay. So in question number 4a, you can see that this type of bracket has been used, okay. So this type of bracket we use to denote absolute value, okay. So here you have to just write the absolute value of 25. Again here we will write the absolute value of 46. So whenever we write the absolute value, we do not include or consider the direction or the positive or negative sign of that integer, okay. We just write the magnitude or simply the number of that particular number of that integer, okay. I mean the face value of that integer. So we will just write 25 irrespective of its sign, be it positive or negative. And this is your minus sign, this is normal, okay. And from minus 46 we will just write 46. Why? Because we are just writing absolute value, okay. Now 25 minus 46. Now we cannot subtract 46 from 25, but what do we do is that we will subtract 25 from 46. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 21. The answer will be just 21, okay. The answer will be 21. But you can see out here that the negative sign is more, okay. So this is, I mean the negative sign of 46 is more, okay. 46 is more than 25, okay. So the negative sign is possessed by 46, okay. So you will just write minus 21, okay. And now in 4b, what do we do is that we have to first solve these two, okay. 14 minus 16, so how much it will be? It will be minus 2 inside this bracket, okay. And this is the plus sign, and this is the bracket that we use to signify absolute value of the integer, isn't it? So again we got this 14 minus 16 is minus 2, okay. So we will simply write the absolute value of 2, okay, minus 2 plus 9, and then the answer will be 11, which is a positive number, okay. Now question number 5. Now question number 5 is very interesting. Out here, Ishtiaq, he deposited 4,000 in his bank account in the month of January. Okay, so he is depositing 4,000 in the month of January. Okay, and he withdrew. So whenever there is withdrawal from the bank account, it is actually the subtraction of the money. Okay, so we will write minus 3,500. Okay, and in the month of March, he again deposited 5,000 rupees. So we will write plus 5,000. Okay, and in the month of April, he withdrew 2,000 minus 2,000. Okay, so what do? In the next line, you will bring all the positive numbers together and all the negative numbers in one side. Okay, so 4,000 plus 5,000 minus 3,500 minus 2,000. Now plus these two positive integers, it will be how much? 9,000. Okay, and now plus these negative integers, how much it will be? 5,500. Okay, so the difference between 9,000 and 5,500 will be 3,500. Okay, but we will not write the minus sign out here. Why? Because 9,000 is more than 5,500. And what is the sign of this 9,000? This is actually the sign of positive. But I have already mentioned that we do not write any minus sign, sorry, a plus sign for positive integers. Okay, so we will simply write 3,500. Okay, so hence we can say that the balance in the month of May was rupees 3,500 in account of Ishtiaq with his bank. Okay, and question number 6 and question number 7, it is quite similar to question number 1, but the numbers are quite bigger, okay, as compared to question number 1. So here you have to arrange in descending order. So whenever there is descending order, it means that from greatest to lowest. Okay, so the greatest number out here is positive 3,000, okay, positive 500, positive 400, positive 250, and negative 5,000. You have to arrange this in the descending order, that is from greatest to the lowest. Okay, now in question number 7, we have to arrange the numbers in an ascending order. Okay, which means from lowest to the greatest. Okay, so minus 4,000, minus 3,000, minus 2,500, and then 1,500, 3,000, and ultimately 4,000. Okay, if there is any confusion, please feel free to ask me, or you can re-watch the video. Okay.